Yeah, hi, friends. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm here to discuss about Tulsi leaf. Some people know it as Tulsi leaf. Some people know it as basil leaf, holy basil leaf, and it has many benefits. Actually, it has been used in India from thousands of years. It has many uses in Ayurveda because of its properties. Most traditionally, it is used in making which are used to improve the immune system. Nowadays, people use tulsi or basil leaf powder and dry leaf and make it tea, green tea. Green means tulsi tea. People make tulsi tea and drink it. um, it's easily available in the market. If you search, and you will be able to find basil or tulsi leaf organic, where you find organic tea. You can easily find tulsi and basil leaf. It is good for immune system, body immune system. It improves the immune system. It is an antibacterial. It has antibacterial property. It has anti viral properties, which minimize, which remove viral or bacteria from body. And it promote natural defense mechanism of the body. And beside this, about stress, it's stress relieving also. The properties in in this medicine, these leaves are stress relieving properties also. So people who are it's a good substitute for coffee, tea, sorry, coffee and caffeine. People who wants to leave coffee or caffeine substance, they can go for tulsi tea, this basil, holy basil tea. People can go for it. They will be able to reduce the consumption of caffeine, and slowly and gradually they will get, remove, leave the coffee or caffeine, and they can get into the habit of drinking this holy and basil leaf tea. This is an organic tea, so there is no side effects, and it has many benefits. Spiritually, it has a, it give you spiritually also, it give you power, so that you can meditate. And plus it give you clarity, mental clarity, so that it enhance the chakra of the body. This if you drink it regularly. Plus uh, there are many other benefits. If you drink this, it remove anxiety from the body. If you drink it, it has a property which remove anxiety. It control blood sugar level of the body also. It removes stress, mental stress, give clarity and peace to the mind. It improve asthma, and it also improve testosterone in the body, testosterone levels. For the skin also, it help in acne problems. It help in acne problems in skin. And headache. If you have an headache problem, headache issue, you can drink this, and it improve in headache too. Other problems which are associated with this are like common cold, influenza, bronchitis. It will help in this also. Plus heart diseases, it's good for heart disease, in insomnia, and viral hepatitis. This is good with this. So it eliminate kidney stones too. So it has multifunctional properties. That's why it is used from thousands of years in Ayurveda. And hope you'll like the taste also, because so many people are using it. I have recommended to so many other my patients, and they are using it, they are drinking it, they are not facing any taste issue. They are liking this taste. So I hope if you try this, you will able to kick off the caffeine habit, kick off the coffee habit. And this, if you drink this organic tulsi or holy basil tea, it improve your health, because it has multifunctional properties. It improve your health. Plus the taste also nice. It has good taste and nice or aroma. So hope you like this video. You like the about the information which I have shared about tulsi and the holy basil leaf tea, organic tea. And if you want to know more about it, you can definitely email me. You have my email ID below. So if you have any question about anything related to this thing, basil leaf or tulsi leaf, you can email me to know more about it. And beside this, I appreciate you came here, and please do like my videos, share it, subscribe it, so that and feedback is also important. Please do give good feedbacks. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.